How's it going, guys? Thanks for joining me on my small engine repair channel. Today's project is just a quick tip that I'm going to show you here on how to remove basically a big long stud that has no head on it here. I'm in the middle of a head replacement, which I basically installed these two studs backwards. This shorter one should be over here, and the longer one should be on this side. So I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to go ahead and remove one of these studs if it doesn't have a head on it. What you're going to need is a couple of nuts. So find a couple nuts that fit on the end of the threads here and thread the first one on about the width. Leave about the width of the nut. So put your second nut on right after it. If I can get this thing to not cross thread. There we go. All right. Then when you have them two each, then you're going to need a wrench or two wrenches, or a wrench and a socket in my case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten these two nuts against each other. So I'm going to hold the back one and I'm going to tighten up the front one so that they're nice and tight against each other. Okay, and then once they're super tight, then you can now back out this stud, and it's as easy as that, guys. And then of course, as you get close to the end of the threads on this end, what I would recommend is that you, when you can start getting this out when it's hand loose, I guess, instead of hand tight, you can go ahead and while it's still installed and it's still not loose enough. Okay, so now it's just loose enough. So while it's still there, that's when you can go ahead and loosen off these two nuts at the end, just a quarter turn, and you can take the whole assembly off, and now it's easy to unscrew those nuts. To put it back in, I probably shouldn't have actually undid it, because I'm just going to reinstall it here on this other side. So I'll just throw it in a couple of threads. I'll tighten these back up. All right, so those are tight again. Undo it, throw it into the other side. Okay, and then just tighten it in using your two tightened nuts against each other. And that's it. Once it's all the way in, you can loosen those two nuts against each other, pull them both off, and that's our quick video of the day. Hopefully this tip's gonna help some of you guys, and if you liked it, please show me a little love on the channel by hitting the like button, and maybe even the subscribe button if you like wrenching on stuff, because that's what this channel is all about. So thanks for watching, guys, and until our next video, take care.